Have you struggled trying to make really good brisket? Well, I've come up with a method. I've cooked all kinds of briskets in my life. This is my easy tinfoil braised brisket. It's foolproof. Let's make it. This is my easy tinfoil braised brisket. I've cooked a lot of briskets in competition and just at home. And have you ever made a brisket and it just turned out really dry and it just didn't have any flavor? Well, this new method of tinfoil braising is going to be your new go-to. I guarantee this is going to work. It's foolproof. I'm only doing a half brisket today. I'm doing the point portion. And what we're going to do is I've preheated a pan. I've got my grill set up at 300 degrees. You can do it in the oven if you like, and we'll add smoke later if you like, but we're just going to prep it right now for the tinfoil. I've got some browning sauce. I'm just going to put it all over the surface with a silicone brush. I've covered the surface with the browning sauce. Now it's time for the rub. This rub is really yummy. The recipe for this rub and the ingredients and the amount is in the Show Me More below. I've got black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, ground mustard, and erythritol. We're just going to put all this into the bowl, mix it up with our fingers. And if you're going with the whole brisket, you'll probably double this amount. Just going to sprinkle it on the top, all over. Just cover it, get in all the little nooks and crannies. Get both sides. Isn't that a cool little tool? That's called a pigtail. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of refined coconut oil in this preheated pan. And go fat side down. See, I like this little bit on the tinfoil here. That'll get all wrapped up. That took about 2 minutes. We'll just set it right on the tinfoil like that. Look at the color in that already. So what I'm going to do is fold this up like this and like this down the side. I want to lock in all that flavor. And I'll take this side up. And then I'm just going to pour the rest of this juice. I'm going to seal it up onto a tray. Come on, this is really simple. I've given you the recipe for the rub. You just need a piece of tin foil. You can do it on a grill. You can do it in the oven. This is 300 degrees. I'm going to take this and put it in. We're going to go for 2 hours, and then we're going to check it. And we're going to see, we want to put a fork in. It's called fork tender, but we want to get like a little bit of a twist in it. Then we're going to open it up and finish it off. We can add some smoke. There's all kinds of stuff that you can do at that stage. I'll see you in 2 hours. Well, my easy tinfoil braised brisket went for close to 3 hours. The one that I cooked before this went for about 1 hour and 45 minutes. So it just goes to show that different cuts of meat, different thicknesses. And what we do is we check the temperature and we go for fork tender. So I'll show you the temperature first. The perfect temperature on a brisket is going to be about 195 to 200. I'm just going to slide this in, and you can see that there's 200, 205. I'm going to pour some of the juice out into a measuring cup for gravy. There, I got a good 2 cups of broth. You can see what this looks like now. Look at that. That looks delicious. What we're going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of smoke on this today. You don't have to, but I'm just going to put like a little bit on the outside so we firm up this bark. I'm going to put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce on the top, just like this, just like I always do. And this is some of the leftover rub that I had, and I'll just put a little bit more on the top. It's a nice peppery rub. It's got a little bit of sweetness in it from the erythritol. So this just adds some really nice flavor. We're going to put this on probably for about half an hour to 45 minutes just to firm up this bark. See the jiggle on that? And I'll just throw in some smoke. Throw the smoke box. Okay, my easy tinfoil braised brisket has been firming up the bark here for probably about 45 minutes. That's what it looks like. That looked delicious. I put a little bit of smoke into it. You don't have to, but I did. Okay, let's see if we can get this off. Doesn't that look delicious? Look at that. So fork tender is you put it in, and if you turn it like that, that'll just spin right around the circle. That's called fork tender. Or I took it to 195 degrees, 200, somewhere in there. But look at this. Doesn't this look delicious? This was so easy. Tinfoil braising is a very fast way of doing brisket. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, look at that for moist. That's just, you can't get any more moist than that. Easy tinfoil braised brisket. That's about as simple as you can get for making brisket. Thanks for watching.